level architecture for database development. The American National Standards Institute Standard Planning and Requirement Committee defines 3 levels of data abstraction: external, conceptual, and internal. We can better understand database models. Here, there are 3 levels of database architecture, mainly 3 types: conceptual, internal, and external level. Conceptual level. It is a detailed specification of the overall structure of the organization that is independent of any database management technology. A conceptual schema defines the whole database without reference to how data are stored in a computer's memory. Usually, a conceptual schema is drawn in a graphical format using entity relationship or object modeling notations. This type of conceptual schema can be called as data model. In addition, specifications for the conceptual schema are stored as metadata in data dictionary. Next, external level. An external schema is also independent of database technology, but typically contains a subset of the associated conceptual schema relevant to a particular user or group of users. A user view is also the version of the schema used in particular program, because a program is used by a particular user or group of users. Thus, a user view is defined in both logical terms as well as programming language terms. The original duplication of a user view is a computer screen display, business transactions, or a report. A logical version of a user view can be represented as an ER or object diagram as a relation. Next, physical level. In this physical level schema contains the specification for how data from a conceptual schema are stored in a computer's secondary memory. Here, the physical schema provides all these specifications to the database technology to allocate and manage physical secondary memory space where data are to be stored and accessed. Tree schema architecture offers multiple ways to look at one set of data. When new user views are identified, there will be a repetition of both the conceptual and external content schema. There will be a need of external schemas for each report, transaction, and screen display. Each organizational database has one physical, one conceptual, and one or more external schemas.